ركز ولا تتسرع في الإجابة. اقرأ السؤال بتمعن وضع إجابتك بثقة. طريقة إجابتك على هذه الأسئلة هي نفسها على الأسئلة الوزارية.
Alkalis have a sour or sharp taste. 2. The closest meaning of cackling is making noise. 3. This box is, then that one, a heavier B, heaviest C, heavy D, heavily. 4. This exam is as the one we took last week. A hard B, harder C, hardest D, heard. 5. The meaning of eating grass is chewing. 6. Hurt by bees means stick. 7. This hotel is as the one downtown. A more expensive B, expensive C, expensively D, most expensive. 8. The cake is as the cookies. A sweet B, sweetest C, sweetly D, sweeter. 9. A machine used by a farmer is a tractor. 10. The kinetic theory states that matter is made up of particles. 11. The weather today is as yesterday. A warmer B, warmest C, warm D, warmers. 12. A jambia has a straight blade. 13. Suckle means feed from the mother. 14. She was tired. She finished all her work. Although B, however C. Whereas D. Like. 15. Lions and tigers are members of the dog family. 16. A square has 4 sides and a triangle has 3 sides. 17. He studied hard for the test. He didn't get a high score. A however B, whereas C, like D. Although. 18. Solids have a fixed shape. 19. The baby of the horse is called mare. 20. The project was difficult, we completed it on time. A whereas B, although C. However D. Unlike. 21. Bad weather helps crops to grow. 22. The chemical formula of calcium hydroxide is CaOH2. 23. The team played well. Oh. They didn't win the game. A although B. However C. Like D. Unlike. 24. The highest part of a mountain is a beak. 25. We can study the feathers of birds to understand how they fly. 26. Sammy enjoys sports, his brother doesn't. Although B, whereas C, however D, unlike. 27. The particles of gases can hardly move. 28. If somebody tells you bad news, you reply, oh dear. 29. Ahmed is very outgoing. His brother is quite shy. A whereas B like C, although D. However. 30. We use kilometers to measure distance. 31. A wasp sting is alkaline. 32. The situation is getting and worse every day. A worst B, worse. C. Bad D. Badly. 33. Foxes and cats are covered in wool. 34. Frogs and elephants are covered in skin. 35. As the sun set, the sky became darker and a darker B. Darkness C, dark D. Darkest. 36. Eat away means worried. 37. The traffic in the city is becoming and more congested. A much B. Most C, many D, more. 38. The dog and the jackal are part of the dog family. 39. His grades are becoming better and this semester, a better B, good C, gooder D. Most. 40. When streams come together, they become a river. 41. Distilled water means not cleaned water. 42. The problem is getting bigger and, with time, a big B. Bigger C. Biggest D. Bigger. 43. The weather is getting hotter and, as summer approaches, A dot hotter b dot hot c hat d dot hottest. 44 peak is the mouth of the bird. 45 fish is covered in fur. 46. The situation is becoming and more difficult to handle. A dot more b dot much c dot best d dot most. 47 tigers and lions belong to the cat family. 48 in solids, particles can move freely to fill any space. 49 a feather is than a stone. A dot heavy b dot light c, heavier d dot lighter. 50. The meaning of kicking is making noise. 51 a stream is bigger than a river. 52 liger is an animal that has a donkey and a horse as parents. 53 vinegar contains citric acid. 54 grazing means eating grass. 55 cotton is a kind of material. 56 this is the place I've visited. A dot most beautiful b dot beautiful. C. More beautiful d. Beauty. 57 distilled water has a neutral pH value. 58 to crossbreed animals, they must be of the same family. 59 a chicken scratches in the dust with its claws. 60 they were very happy. Their son. A dot find b dot found c dot finding d dot finds. 61 life in the city is getting more and expensive. A dot most b dot best c dot much d dot more. 62 turning over the soil means plowing. 63 a plow is a tool used for breaking up the soil. 64 he walked and faster to catch the bus. A dot fast b dot fasting c dot faster d dot fastest. 65 in a liquid state, the particles are closed together. 66 Rama, the comma has a hump on its back. 67 the train moved slowly and, as it approached the station, a dot slower b dot slowest c dot slow d dot slowly. 68 you can see far on the misty/foggy day. 69 on the pH scale, the number 7 shows neutral value. 70 she is working harder and to meet the deadline. A dot hard b dot harder c dot hardest d dot hardly.